Welcome to our video. Today we'll show you how to create and verify your Binance account step by step. If you're looking to start trading cryptocurrency easily and securely, you're in the right place. We'll guide you through each step, from registration to account verification. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. Let's get started. Open Play Store, then search Binance app and touch the search icon. You will see the Binance app, then you will touch it and click Install. After installing Binance, you will touch the word Open. It will open and take you directly to the app, and you will see this view. This page wants you to be able to choose which type of user are yours. 1. Crypto novice, until libido with iSepto, only buy, say, iPawblu coins. And 2 experienced users experienced in the cradle. Engage M Combat, trading tough tictions. So you can choose Crypto Novice, then click. This part is very important. You need to open an account. There are 2 ways to open a Binance account. The first way is to fill in the email and your SIM number. But I don't advise you to use the SIM number because it's annoying. Why not use the email? The second way is to join using Google account. This is a good and easy way, so we will use this. You will touch Continue with Google account. You will be presented with information that requires you to select the Google account you need to open an account, then select and click on it, and you will be brought to this page where Google will ask you to allow the Google account to be used on Binance. You will click Agree and Share. In this section, you will see information about privacy and terms. Because we need to open a Binance account, we accept the policies and rules for the use of Binance. Please accept their terms next. We have reached the point of verifying the Binance account, but before verifying your account, there is a referral ID section. This is an option you can fill in or leave where you are filling in the ID of the person inviting you to join Binance. You can fill in the numbers you see on your screen, then click Verify Identity. In this arena, you are given the chance to choose the country you are in, but you can see that your country has come up automatically, and if it doesn't come up, you have to choose it manually. Then you will press Continue. The next important step is to fill in all 3 of your names, the first name, the middle name, and the last name. It is important if the names you fill in are on one ID. Which of these are the nationality ID, driving license, or driver's ID? The next steps, you will be required to take a picture of your ID. One of them is among those, so you must write the correct names on your ID. After filling the names correctly, you will press the word Continue. Choose your nationality, then click Continue. On this page, you will fill in the correct date, month, and year of your birth that is present on your ID that you use to verify your account. Then you will press Continue. In this section, you must fill in the ID number that is on your ID. What is your current residential address? In the postcode section, you will fill in the numbers of the place where you live. City will fill in the name of the current city. The country or region section expands automatically. Directly, you will click Continue. Here's the most important part. Sit carefully and listen to me. You need to send documents for the verification process to be completed. It needs national ID documents, driving license, and passport because at the beginning, I filled in the ID numbers of the national ID. I have been recommended to use it so you can choose. And if you filled in the number information there, You can get recommended after selecting. You will click Continue. Choose the method that you think is good for you, such as taking a photo of the ID instantly or uploading the photo you took and it is in the gallery. I will choose from the gallery. Once you have selected, you will press Continue. It will be uploaded and you will receive a message. Then you will press Continue. In the likeness check section, they need more evidence that you are the person responsible for the information. They will need to scan your face using your phone's camera. The photo on your ID matches your face. You will press the word Continue to start the process. You will follow the information you will be given with your eyes closed. Do it until they need another exercise. Another exercise is to lift the head up and tilt it down. After following their information, my account has now been verified. If you follow these steps carefully, I hope you will succeed. Remember, Binance allows you to make financial transactions online. Thank you for watching our videos soon. We will bring you methods to make money online.